Welcome to my channel Flight Assistance. 7 life-saving luggage tips for checked bags. Traveling can be a stress-inducing experience, especially when it involves packing and ensuring that your checked bags arrive at your destination safely. Here are 7 life-saving luggage tips for checked bags to ensure a smoother journey. Double tag it. Always tag your luggage with a luggage tag that contains your name, address, and phone number. Consider adding a second tag inside your bag as well, just in case the exterior tag is removed or lost. Keep valuables out. Never pack valuables like jewelry, electronics, or important documents in your checked bags. These items are best kept in your carry-on or on your person to minimize the risk of theft or loss. Roll, don't fold. Rolling your clothes instead of folding can save space and reduce wrinkles. This also makes it easier to see what you've packed and to retrieve items without unpacking everything. Use packing cubes. Packing cubes can help you organize your belongings and make the most of the space in your suitcase. They're especially useful for keeping similar items together and can help prevent items from shifting during transit. Vacuum seal for more space. If you're tight on space, consider using vacuum sealed bags. They can significantly reduce the volume of certain items, like clothing, by removing the air. Check airline weight limits. Before you leave home, check your airline's weight limits for checked bags to avoid costly fees. Invest in a portable luggage scale to check the weight of your bags before you head to the airport. Secure your bag. Use a TSA-approved lock to secure your luggage. It'll deter thieves while allowing airport security to access your bag if necessary. Additionally, consider customizing the appearance of your suitcase with a bright ribbon or distinctive markings to make it easier to identify on the luggage carousel. Remember, preparation is key. Taking these steps before and during your packing can help prevent potential mishaps and ensure a more pleasant travel experience. Safe travels. Hope you liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.